Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We have some exciting news about the highly anticipated Canon EOS R1. Verified leaks from reliable sources have provided us with valuable information. And in today's video, we will discuss the confirmed details and share our expectations for this upcoming camera. Let's begin by talking about the design of the Canon R1. One of the standout features is the impressive OLED panel located on the back. The screen is expected to be larger than any other currently available, potentially measuring 4 inches. Canon aims to provide photographers with a rich and immersive viewing experience through the substantial display. The electronic viewfinder (EVF) of the Canon R1 is also worth mentioning. It is anticipated to have the highest resolution on the market, offering photographers a clear and detailed view of their subjects. Additionally, the EVF is kindly to have a high refresh rate and eliminate blackout, ensuring a seamless shooting experience. Some other notable leaked specifications include the use of a variation of the LPE19 battery, dual CF express card slots, and the potential for a customizable color top-down display. There are also rumors about an all-new autofocus system that might feature quad-pixel autofocus technology, although it remains uncertain at this point. In terms of resolution, Canon seems to have found the perfect balance with the EOS R1. It is expected to offer around 45 megapixels, striking a good compromise between image quality and practicality. This is especially important for professional settings like sports photography, where fast image transfer and processing are crucial. The inclusion of a global shutter in the EOS R1 is still uncertain, but there are speculations that its technology might be featured. A global shutter would address the rolling shutter issues often encountered in certain shooting scenarios. Particularly when using electronic shutters, this would be a significant upgrade for the EOS R series. Information about the video capabilities of the EOS R1 is currently limited, but there are expectations that the camera's video performance and firmware development will be handled by the Cinema EOS team. This suggests exceptional video capabilities from the EOS R1. The implementation of AI technology and machine learning for autofocus and other functions is also being considered. However, it is important to note that claims about a global shutter and an all-new autofocus system are purely speculative at this point. If the faster readout speeds of stacked BSI sensors can effectively eliminate the rolling shutter effect, it would be a notable advancement. As for the release date, it is widely believed that the Canon R1 will be announced around the time of the 2024 Olympics in Paris. However, this information should be taken with caution as nothing has been confirmed yet. The Canon R1 will serve as Canon's new flagship camera, and its price is expected to range from $5,000 to $8,000. The impressive specifications of the R1 justify its higher price tag. We should love to hear your thoughts on this upcoming camera. So please share your opinions in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this content, consider subscribing for more updates. Thank you for watching.